This is Microsoft's earnings snapshot for Q4 2022. As you can see, a lot of reds here, meaning the quarterly financials that they put out recently, actually today after hours, was actually worse than the previous one, year over year. Let's dive deeper into these numbers. Revenue is up 2% year over year. 51.728 billion here was the year over year revenues or Q4 2022 revenues. Analysts were expecting 52.987 billion. They fell short of analyst expectations, but they beat their previous revenues, which is still good if you ask me. EPS for the quarter is down from 2.48 down to just 2.2 year over year, again falling short of analysts' expectation of 2.29. It says here in TradingView that they beat EPS, but sometime you're going to see a line here saying standardized and you're going to see 2.2 EPS here. Like here, that's the more accurate EPS to use actually. So EPS, they miss out on that as well. Now let's go to their margins. Net income down 12% year over year. Free cash flow down 43% year over year. So this is bad. This is in nominal value, right? It's different from their margins, which is down here. Profit margin is down 5% and free cash flow is down 7%. Obviously, EPS rental months is down and it's down 3%. From a valuation standpoint, this is a terrible quarter for Microsoft, but from what I learned about the US equity markets, they're more excited about the growing revenues, not really about the money they made this quarter, although it's all terrible. In extended hours, MSFT went up to $254. At one point, up 4%. That didn't make sense to me, but again, I am not surprised. Now, is this all priced in? Well, in a way, yes. I'm still using a 26 multiple here, like I've always used with Microsoft, because their margins, at least these 12 months, are still intact and above my multiple of 26. Again, I pay 1 PE for 1% of their margins. That's my process here. 26 is the most PE I could pay for a single stock. So yeah. Now, this is not to say that the next quarter they're going to report a better one. Again, I only react to their financials. With all this said, the fundamentals of Microsoft, or at least my fair value for Microsoft, went down quarter over quarter. What do I make of this financial report? Well, one, it's not as bad as thought. So it could rally, definitely, but I won't be surprised if we make new lows on this stock. Now, a lot of people may argue, what the hell is this bunch of numbers? Well, I look at stocks financials as a whole. When I'm valuing these companies, I only look into their consolidated financials because I'm buying Microsoft as a whole, so I'm valuing them as a whole, not segment by segment. So basically, Azure, LinkedIn did really well this quarter, but that would only compensate to the bad segments that are OEM and personal computing. And the decline in the latter weighed more in their financials. If you like this kind of content, especially now with more earnings to come, I do this for select few stocks. I'll upload this to Patreon, which will be launching next Monday, next week. Be the first ones to get this kind of content along with the updated fair values quarter over quarter, like what you saw in the charts earlier, plus some analysts' estimates, of course. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them all. See you next video.